Hey there, welcome back to my channel where I share digital marketing strategies to help you grow your business. In this video, we will discuss how to use special offers and promotions to win back customers who haven't purchased in a while. Offering enticing deals and promotions can be a great way to re-engage past customers and encourage them to return to your brand. First, you want to dig into the analytics and come up with a game plan. So before you create an effective promotion to win back lapsed customers, you need to understand their interests and past purchases. Look at their purchase history and engagement with your brand to determine what products or promotions might be the most interesting to them now. Next, you're going to create a special offer. Once you understand these customers better, you can create a special offer or promotion that will incentivize them to return. Consider offering a buy one get one free promotion on a product they've previously purchased but haven't bought in a while. Or you could create a bundle that includes a product they've previously purchased along with another complementary product they haven't tried. This will encourage them to return and make a purchase while also reminding them of their past positive experiences with your brand. Now you need to deliver the offer. When it comes to special offers and promotions, timing and delivery are key. Make sure your promotion is delivered at the right time and through the right channels to maximize its impact. The simplest channel to deliver this offer is through email, but you can also use targeted social media advertising to reach lapsed customers outside of their inbox as well. Be sure to track everything. To ensure the effectiveness of your special offer or promotion, you need to track and measure your results. Use metrics like conversion rates and customer feedback to determine how well the promotion is performing and make adjustments as needed. Special offers and promotions can be a powerful way to win back old customers and drive revenue for your business. By understanding your customers, creating a really enticing offer, timing and delivering the promotion effectively, and tracking your results, you can successfully re-engage past customers and turn them into loyal repeat customers. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more marketing tips and strategies. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching.